Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey!
What's hey?
Hey, what are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car.
This one.
Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Make sure
Come on.
this.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Come on, guys.
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Backstage passes.
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Make it happen. Give me something.
Okay. I'll make it happen.
All right,
now
all
get
right.
out of here.
We got it,
I
we got
hate
it.
all of you.
See ya.
Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car.
So if you're stuck in your car on your way to this concert, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out Steven Tyler's Check out Steven Tyler's hat. Okay, Ellie, crank it up, because we're getting ready to rock on this exclusive live broadcast.
It's gonna be way too dark. Oh, it's dark.
shows ever.
Have you seen this ever?
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.